That was a quick one. Hey, I dueled this guy before. He knows what's up. He knows. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's look into the race. Round 1. Dude! How is he a dino still? Looks kinda like a machine. Oof. Apulosa and then Laggy or Dolka. Oh, Bororod Savage Dragon. Wow. With what's it called? Dang. I was not expecting Savage. I think he's got this one. Duro. He's gonna have to negate, unless this is some sort of counter trap card. Dang, negate. Monster negate. How many monster negates is that? 2 monster negates and then a flip face down. Wow. Shit. Fuck. Damn it. That was a monster effect. Fucker. Son of a fucking son of a fuck. Fuck. Damn it. And he still has one more over here. You sucker. I'll save the Regeki. Damn it, set the card, damn it. Lunando. That's not a fetch. Probably should have chain linked it. 1, 2, not even if I chain. Oh, I could have. I could have chain linked it. I think I could have chain blocked something there. I would have activated this, activated that, and activated that. How would I chain block that? So he has one counter left. He may be able to finish me right here. Yeah, there's no more monster negates. He... what? Is savage? Nah, go ahead. Go ahead so I can activate it after. He's going to... oh, I know what he's gonna do. Going for the access code. Another Tyranno, that's great. Yeah, let's go for the access code. Okay. Good. He's just gonna activate to pop this and that. And he's gonna activate Lost World too. Yeah. Even if I activated it. It's gonna try to pop the token and then... oh no, he didn't. Just gonna pop it up. Yeah, that's game. GG. Switch this guy to attack and that's game. Wow. GG. Oh, it turns red. You're gonna die soon. Oh! Piggy wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. I'll do what Pavle said in the video. Go like this. Hopefully that doesn't screw me over. Come on. Oh man. I can't lose. If I lose, this is gonna be my first time losing with this deck. Online. Kind of great there. Oh no, it's okay. What? Oh. Right. Okay. You know what? Yeah, let's just activate it now. There. Eldritch. Here and defense. What does this guy do again? Different. It's an attribute, different type. guy's on light. Maybe we should put some dinosaurs in here. Just put all the meta. What's in the meta right now? I could do this guy with this guy. I pop him and activate that. Oh. What's this guy dueling? Right, and I don't. Right. Tremendo. Fucking son of a fuck. Well, that didn't go through. Damn dinosaurs. Oh no. Fuck with that. That's a quick savage right there. Wow. Boom. One for the wyvern. Wyvern effect. What's some of it? Trap raptor. What the fuck was that? Then destroy one card. Like that. Well, Scrap Raptor came back like 4 times. This guy 3 times, this guy once from the deck. Broken. Did I side in Nibiru? Probably Nibiru would be good for this. Instead of, what did I draw there? Yeah, it's over. It's over. Definitely over. You can go to a sword, Boral sword with these. You could have just went for Boral sword. Attack game. Is it game? I think it is game. Yeah, it's game. Didn't even have to. Wow. Figgy wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Fuck. I went down by 10. Damn it. Comment, share, like if sub is sub selected. See you guys.